Good morning, everybody. And we have German CPI coming out, which is going to impact the DAX today. So, yeah, we started moving down and then bounced. And my fear of chasing shorts is still very much intact. It's not something I'm interested in doing right now, because that is just trying to second guess what's going on. So we've got two major levels here on the 8 hour, 17,820 area and 17,750 area. Those are the two major levels. Look at my oscillators, they dipped down, they're now separated and crossing over. So I don't think much is going to happen until the data comes out. Data comes out at 10 o'clock German time, so that's half an hour before the market actually opens. So I suspect probably just mosey on, grind higher, or start going sideways until the data comes out. But those two levels don't change. You can see clear as daylight there. And the minute we drop down to the hour, we get just a couple of extra levels that come in. There's a little pin bar here. Well, not little, it's quite a big pin bar, but that is at 17,827. Look at what's going on our oscillators here. We also have a crossover of our moving averages. So we're looking for a pullback onto structure to validate these moving averages. Now, there's quite, I'm not going to put all of them, but you can see there's another pin bar here at 17,765. But if we just get down to 15-minute, that's what we want to be paying attention to. Just make sure we've got the right levels in play. So first area is going to be 17,820, but there is a little gap below. So just based on that, just want to get, yeah, that would be it. So there's a gap there. We want that gap to close. So 17,808 and 17,800. So 17,800 would be ideal position for an opportunity to the upside, and then 17,820, 17,827 zone. It's fairly strong. I think you'd be well versed to be looking for an ambush zone in that space. There are gaps further down. There's this one just below 17,750. Now, if I just zoom out to the hour just to check on the logic down there, now you can see that would be a very strong area of support. Let's just go to the 3 hour here. So see the zone here, that's between 17,764 and 17,750. We closed below it, we broke above it. We haven't really found support there, and that was a strong area of resistance last week. So that is another opportunity, 17,764. So if we don't find support up here at 17,800 area, then I would expect us to move down, and this would be where I'd be looking for an opportunity to buy. That would be roughly 17,750. I'd actually just put a trade in at 751 or 754, something like that, with a stop below the low of yesterday. And that is kind of my short and sweet version of this morning. Wait for the data, don't try and jump into this now. We kind of, I think the move is exhausted at the moment. But I definitely think you'll probably find some kind of a pullback onto structure before an opportunity to buy. First one, 17,800 area, 17,820 area, and then 17,750 area. That is what you're looking for. Those are the areas of support. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.